Looking for the best toilet bowl cleaners? Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you get better ideas about different products. Let's find the right cleaner for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Lysol is a well-trusted cleaning brand that is used in many households. From the best all-purpose cleaners to disinfecting wipes, Lysol carries it all. Our associate editorial director is a huge fan of Lysol's Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner for its strong cleaning power, hands-free squeeze cap design, and clean, fresh scent that lingers after just a few flushes. She uses it in her own home on a weekly basis to clean 3 toilets that get regular use. A little goes a long way with this particular cleaner. With just a few squirts of it, our editor feels like she can effectively clean her toilet. She wears rubber gloves and uses a toilet brush to clean along the inner rim and scrub stains. After every cleaning session, the toilet is left shiny and squeaky clean. Number 2. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Stamp. I have been using the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet gel stamps consistently for over a year now. After deep cleaning my toilet with our best overall pick, the Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner, I stamped the gel on one side of my toilet bowl for added freshness and an extended cleaning life. It's recommended that you give your toilet a good scrub prior to using this stick-on gel. So this pick certainly isn't the only toilet bowl cleaner to stock your bathrooms with. However, after each flush, the stamp releases the cleaning agents housed inside, giving your toilet a quick clean with a lovely fresh scent. The process is basically hands-free, and each stamp lasts up to 2 weeks. You can purchase the stamps in 5 different scents: rain shower, citrus, berry burst, lavender, and floral fusion. Number 3. Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This toilet cleaner has impressed the internet with its impressive cleaning power on tough stains and rust. There is a number of TikTok videos of users trying out the product to clean the most stained toilets. We have yet to test this cleaner, but after watching hundreds of before and after videos on #CleanTalk and reading through endless reviews, we couldn't help but pick the Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner as the best toilet cleaner for removing rust stains from toilets, as well as other tough stains. This cleaner is formulated with hydrochloric acid gel, a powerful ingredient known for removing tough stains. It also has a gooseneck applicator that releases the thick gel formula, which clings to and covers the hard-to-reach spots under the toilet's rim. Once the cleaner sits for 5 minutes, you can follow it up with a couple of scrubs, and you'll be left with a stain-free toilet and a fresh wintergreen scent. Number 4. Initials Clorox Foaming Toilet Bombs. Scrubbing every inch and crevice of the toilet can feel like a never-ending chore. Fortunately, there are cleaning products such as the Clorox Foaming Toilet Bombs that clean toilet stains quickly and efficiently and make the process relatively hands-free. With a quick and seamless drop of one foaming tablet and a few scrubs with a toilet brush, our toilet bowl is stain and rust-free, with no hard water residue left behind. Liquid cleaners like our best overall pick, the Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner, can be effective, but some might leave a blue stain. These tablets do no such thing and are also bleach-free, so they don't smell as strong. Although our writer does wish they came unscented, she's tried both the lavender and fresh scents. Number 5. Clorox Scentiva Toilet Cleaning Gel. If you're looking for septic-safe cleaning products for your toilet, the Clorox Scentiva Toilet Cleaning Gel is at the top of our list. It has a bleach-free and antibacterial formula, complete with a coconut and water lily scent. We found ourselves using this gel cleaner more for deep cleaning than our regular cleaning. The process isn't as quick as it is with other toilet cleaners, such as the Clorox Toilet Cleaning System, and is a bit more hands-on. However, it's still easy to use. After applying the cleaner under and around the toilet bowl rim and scrubbing it with a bristle brush, we let it sit for about 5 minutes and then flush. The toilet is clean and sparkling. If you're not a fan of the strong bleach smell, you'll love this sweet and refreshing fragrance. But if you're someone who is sensitive to artificial scents, know that this cleaner may be too irritating. We found the strong coconut smell to be more pleasant than the smell of bleach.